Here we're going to be conducting an AdWords audit, and the audit is really based on my experience conducting audits on hundreds of accounts, things that I've found that are really key to look at, and we're going to be using that knowledge. And just to go through, we're going to jump into some AdWords accounts. Okay, so the section is divided into 4 sections. The first one is account structure. We're going to look at different ways campaigns are structured within the account, some common pitfalls. We'll talk a bit about e-commerce and Google Shopping as well, and we'll talk about regular search campaigns. Then we'll look at campaign settings and key things on that level where I've noticed that a lot of accounts have issues. So key things really to check, and also some quick wins even. We'll look at ad groups. We'll look at everything involved on an ad group level. We'll look at ad copy, we'll look at ETAs, we'll look at how many keywords are running, ad extensions, audiences, remarketing, and what to look at really quickly. And then some other issues that I've noticed in many accounts, which includes using experiments, 404 error checking, which often isn't done properly, quickly how to check conversion tracking and Google Analytics link, some issues that usually happen with landing pages.